Hello, welcome to the channel viewers. Tenerife Tears at Tenerife. Come and take a walk with me today. See what's around. We're actually at Costa Adeje. There we go. That is your Sabilia hotel. Very, very nice 5-star hotel. And plenty of I suppose shops across the other side of the road. So in case you just want something, I don't know, you've left something at home, you don't have to go far to actually find it over there. Some shops above the railings as well. Now, medical centre there. Don't remember that being in there before. I may be mistaken. VIP area at the top. You do pay extra for that, I believe. You can correct me if I'm wrong with that. I have done a walkthrough of this hotel. Check it out on the playlist. I think you'll not be disappointed. Oh, proper grass, not that raffia grass. And freshly cut. It smells beautiful. The hotel area there. The hotel there, look at, is the Costa Adeje for cool adults. I thought they'd removed that sign, maybe just on the front. Here's your gourmet market as well, which is actually part of the hotel. You can actually go in there and visit that as well. So why not? Go in there and enjoy. Quite a bit of traffic coming up here now then, folk. But it is one way, so I suppose you are going to get a lot of traffic. There's a look at the pool area of the hotel. Doesn't look like it gets a lot of sun down at this bottom end just yet. Maybe as it gets a little bit higher. Don't know. Have you stayed there? I've actually done a walkthrough of that hotel. It looks very, very nice. So check it out on the playlist. I don't think you'll be disappointed in that. They do have nightly entertainment. Well, they do have entertainment on. I'm not saying it's every night, but they do. And it looks like the unique bar's closed. Doing repairs, or is it some repairs around the side of it? No, we're reseeding. We're grassing everywhere, aren't we? Yep, new grass. Over we go. See if we don't get run over. Busy, busy. No, the bar may be open. It's just the fresh grass. And they've actually watered it. So that's a first. Over there you've got your Voodoo Lounge. See if we can get a better picture of it. Yeah. Have you been to that one yet then, folk? It was a derelict for many, many years. Clearly now it's not. This is Pueblo Tibiscus, which is part of your Sunset Harbour group. The hotel in the background over there, that is your Santa Maria. Right, you can go up there to the other sunset, the Sunset Bay, I believe, and your Bangin, your Detroits, the Sun Inn, and lots more. Oh, Maguire's, lots and lots more places. You may or may not know that. Here's your taxi rank here, and there's a taxi office as well, just where the flag is there. I will make you aware that if you're staying at the Santa Maria or hotels around this area, book a taxi when you go back to the airport if you're going by taxi. Don't just expect them to be here all the time, because invariably at rush hour you will not find one. Different today. Well, that's just the timing of the day. But forewarned is forearmed, so to speak. Lotus Garden over there as well. And yeah, what else? place to be up there, and another Irish bar. That road down there, that'll take you towards the front, your Solace Bar, your Mellow Gecko, and the Boulevard, and La Pinta Playa. Plenty of restaurants, same as I say, over here as well. So, eating or drinking. Oh, I forgot to say, Wakanda cocktail bar there. Absolutely fantastic cocktails. So, give that one a go as well. And another entertainment bar here. So these have live entertainment in the evening, and it gets absolutely rammed. So why not try that one out as well? Okay then, viewers, I'm Tenerife Tez. I'm going to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.